Hey guys, welcome to my grocery haul pickup video for this week. So I just got all the groceries that we need for the week. So I also have our meal plan written down that I will share with you after I show you all the groceries that we got. So I do a Walmart grocery pickup once a week, every week, and I get everything we need, and I keep it at $200 per week. I got some extra fun little treats this week because the boys are out of school on Christmas break. I hope that you had a really awesome Christmas. The holidays are so fun, but the boys are home, so I got some extra fun treats for them for this week, but also lots of nice and healthy things as well. So let me show you all the groceries for the week. Okay, so here's everything from the grocery pickup. I just love ordering everything on my Walmart app and then just picking everything up, and they just bring it right out to the car. So convenient. So I got a lot of stuff this week, but I was still in budget at $200. So I will start over here. Got our gallon of milk. We do whole milk. We drink a gallon of that a week. We have our almond milk, and I got some heavy whipping cream that I'm going to use in a couple recipes I'm going to make this week. Blueberries. I got lots of fruit. Like I said, the boys are home, so they love fruit. So big thing of blueberries. 2 packs of eggs, 2 18 packs. We go through a lot of eggs. Some cauliflower. I'm going to do a mashed cauliflower with one of the recipes this week. Our chicken breasts. We have a ton of chicken breasts. We grill it up for sandwiches and salads each week, and we just love chicken. Some string cheese, another awesome, delicious snack that we love. This frozen edamame. I get a lot of Great Value stuff, so this is the Great Value brand. It's so much cheaper than the name brand, but you just steam this in the bag. It's really easy, and it's a big hit with my kids. Some bell peppers, some Greek yogurt, vanilla. I got 2 things of crescent rolls. I've been doing a lot of crescent roll appetizers lately. If you saw the video that I did about a week or so ago on some crescent roll appetizers, they were all so good. So I'm going to be making some more different crescent roll appetizers. I got 2 different yogurt, or two boxes of yogurt tubes. These are the kids' desserts if they eat a good dinner. So we freeze these, and they really like them. Beef broth. I'm going to do some meatballs in the crock pot, and the recipe has beef broth in it. I've got a couple things of sour cream. These hash brown potatoes. These are the kind of square cut kind, really good. 2 packs of cream cheese, more dips. I mean, the holidays are still here, so still lots of indulging and fun appetizers and dips. Little Smokies. These will be for one of the crescent roll appetizers. These cheese tortellinis, they are the quickest dinner ever, ready in 3 minutes. My kids just like them totally plain, no sauce or anything, but they're good. You just add right here, add your favorite sauce. So I just put the sauce on the side for the rest of us, but the kids just like them just plain. I have 2 onions for different recipes. I'm going to surprise the kids since it is the holidays on their favorite breakfast that they always beg for. I got some mushrooms, and the boys have been really liking these Little Bites muffins. So just a little treat when we're on the go for a snack. Corn and black beans, some more bell pepper, a big bag of green beans. I'm going to do green beans with bacon one night. Have a thing of our carb balance tortillas. This is the burrito size, 5 carbs per tortilla. These are our favorite ones, and they're really big. You can fit a lot in these tortillas. So I got these real bacon crumbles for the green beans. They're really good. Barbecue sauce, sugar-free syrup. My kids really like this one. They way prefer it over just a regular syrup. It's lighter, so I always make sure we have an extra one in the pantry. Walnuts and pistachios. We love to snack on different kinds of nuts, so definitely we've been getting a ton of pistachios lately, and then we get walnuts like every other week. Broccoli. We have broccoli at least once a week. We absolutely love broccoli. Brown gravy mix. It's going to be for my crock pot meatball recipe. Big bag of shredded cheddar cheese. We go through a ton of cheese. We use it with eggs. Benjamin loves quesadillas. So we go through a lot of cheese. Big thing of strawberries and grapes. Like I said, the kids are home, so they are snacking and they absolutely love fruit. Avocados, frozen strawberries for smoothies, some tortilla chips. These are my favorite, the Cantina style. They are thin and crispy and super good. Apples for the week. We go through a ton of apples. We go through a ton of bananas. And here's our bread. This is the kind that Benjamin likes for his peanut butter sandwiches. And then sandwich thins. These are what my husband uses for his lunches that he packs. And then a thing of our collagen that we put in our tea. I get this about every other week. We go through a lot of it. So 1 scoop. It's tasteless, but it's really good. Super good for skin, hair, nails, joint support. So I absolutely love this stuff. I've been getting this same one for quite a while. I used to get it on Amazon and I had it on my subscribe and save items. And now I just get it at Walmart. It's easy in the pickup. So that's all of the groceries. Here is the meal plan that I wrote down, and it's just kind of an idea of what we're gonna have each day this week. So for Wednesday, I'm gonna do the Salisbury meatballs. I have a ton of frozen meatballs. I was checking the freezer before I did the grocery order and have so many meatballs, so we are using them this week. And so I'm gonna make that with mashed cauliflower. I'm gonna do chicken noodle soup, because it is raining and cold, which we actually love the rain. Happy to get it in California, so not complaining, but gonna have some chicken noodle soup. We're gonna do chicken, rice, broccoli bowls with some teriyaki sauce. That's one of my favorites, I love it. Hamburgers is always a family favorite. Everybody's always begging for hamburgers. Sunday is New Year's Eve, so I have some appetizers that I'll be getting ready for that. Monday, I'm gonna do a barbecue ranch chicken casserole. It's actually new to me, haven't made it, so I will let you guys know how it is. And then Tuesday, we do tacos just about every Tuesday because our schedule is super hectic and tacos are the easiest and quickest things to make. So I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. Lots going on this week and lots of meals that I will have ready. And the kids being home, lots of snacks. So I hope that you're having a really great holiday season. And subscribe to my channel. If you're new, leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. Hope you have a great day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.